Hey, when you started this
Hello?
pharma consultancy business,
Sure, sure, sure. You see, I started this business way back 1987.
I see.
What I did my M.Pharm first. After that, I took about 9 years experience in the industry. I worked in the Hafkin Bar Pharmaceutical Corporation, which is, deals with all these vaccines and all those things. And after doing that thing, then I had a 9 years experience. And then I started as a consultant in 1987.
What is your core business?
My core business is at the moment to file applications for the new drugs as well as for generic drugs in USA and Europe. I provide all sort of regulatory services to the pharma industry, and I have very big number of clients for that.
What are the unique strengths of your company?
Same. Uh, our company is very intelligent. We understand the regulations very well, and then we can comply them as per the requirement.
What have been the major achievements of your company?
Let us assume we have registered a lot of excipients with the EDQM, and we have filed a lot of drug master files with the US FDA, and we have also filed some applications for medical devices with the US FDA. Our achievement is always with the US FDA and the EDQM.
How much strong is your credibility and goodwill in the market?
Goodwill is okay, and we are dependable. And many people come to us. We don't have to market our things a lot. People come to us. There are companies from India, big companies, small companies, corporate companies, and the companies from the abroad also they approach us. It's not that each and every company come to us, but there are many those who need services they come to us.
How do you look at the opportunities?
Opportunity is, in fact, in India at the moment, there are very large number of people those who are doing consulting, and then the opportunity, of course, looks to be okay, but it's not very bright as such because a lot of people are working on this. A lot of people are working on this. When
What
I
would you
started
like
in
to
2000, yes, sir.
What would you like to highlight about your team?
My team is dedicated, highly experienced, and highly truthful. And we do the assignments within the time limit which we provide to the customer. We are very efficient and very precise.
Who are your blue chip clients?
Same, our plan is to file now. Till now, we have been filing ANDA or CEP, but now we want to file applications for the new drugs. Filing application for new drugs requires a lot of efforts, a lot of team members, and a lot of you have to face a lot of hardship in that. So we want to achieve NDA, there's a new drug application, as well as we want to file about 250 drug master files with the US FDA and many CEPs with the EDQM.
Who are your major clients if you want to name them? आपके बड़े क्लाइंट में
The
से किसी
major,
का नाम बताना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, mostly what happen mostly, these people always tell us not to disclose their name and ID. Because once we tell them, then they we always undergo agreement like that.
और मल्टीनेशनल्स हैं.
So under agreement, we have worked for Hetero, we have worked for Reddy, we have worked for Arbindo, we have worked for many companies like that. We have worked for Cipla also in the past.
How do you foresee the future of your company?
Future is good, no doubt about that thing. But I don't see there's a regulatory services. No, the one thing is that in regulatory services there are many people, those who are not up to mark, but they are more economical. So in India, tendency is that they go for those people. So we are quite hopeful to do better, yeah, better, to and then in to I'm to say to do still better. We are employing better people. We have a lot of associates, lot of consultants with us. So we are refining our team. We are developing our team to take the job from multinational companies, and that's what we are going on. But the market is not very good at the moment.
What is the secret of your success?
Hard work, intelligence, truthfulness.
Any other important point you may like to share?
See, we are always updated. In the regulatory business, the regulations keep on changing every now and then. In fact, you can call it every day is changing. So one thing which we do is that we update ourselves very often. Maybe day by day we update ourselves. And we are a lot of people, those who are young, because people those who have become old, they can't contribute much. We are a team of the young people. Those who read, understand, write, dictate, train, document, and if there are any disputes are there, they resolve the disputes also.
Nice talk.